Here we've got BLUBOO S8, and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. First step is to enter the settings. Now locate and open languages and input, and go to the languages. By tapping on other language, you can check the whole list of languages. Here you've got it, you've just accessed it, and all you have to do is to mark the language that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, it can be Portuguese, then select the region. And now we have to slide Portuguese up to the first place. To make it a default language, just hold it and then slide it up. As you can see, right now the language has been changed. So now you can smoothly use your device in Portuguese. And whenever you would like to change the language again, you have to perform the same operation. So just open the languages. Now you can remove the unnecessary language by tapping on More. Then select Remover and mark the unnecessary language. Tap on bin icon. Select OK. And that's it. So basically that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.